Oh, help, help.
I'm coming. No. Okay. But, oh.
She's like, help, help. Hey, Molly. You okay? Oh, there you are. You're a super trooper. Look at you. Hi, Molly.
I have to dig my way in the tunnel.
Daddy trying to fix our boxwood trees. Kelly's worried. Bye-bye.
Hey, let's look at Mommy and say hi. Say hi, Mom. Say super spy.
Hi.
Careful.
Careful, Molly.
Door.
Hi, Molly. Can I see you?
Oh.
Careful, Dad. You know, they also said our gas meter down there, they also said to keep that clear.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if... Just be careful. Maybe do it later.
It's so cold.
Molly, look at you. You're a super trooper.
Hi, mommies.
Hi, bud.
Hi.
Wow, so much snow.
I'm a penguin.
I think it's like 3 feet, don't you?
What's that?
I think it's like 3 feet of snow.
It does look like,
It's up to my hips.
I mean, it's a good barometer, but a knee, I guess.
Oh.
Oh, save the boxwoods. No, that's good, Dad. Thanks. So.
Yeah.
Dad, it's snow.
There's snow. It's
Papa,
everywhere.
I want to
Happy
go
New
to
Year.
the park.
Happy New Year.
Hey, Dad, I want to go to the park.
Brennan, there's no way to get there.
How we get there? Look at the sign.
There is no way to get to the park, buddy. We are stuck inside today. Kelly Hare, there's no way to get there. Okay, you start walking. You start walking. Let me know how far you get.
Yeah, we'll see how far you get.
Okay. You start walking. It's that way, Kelly. Go that way.
Snowplow. Everybody say hi.
Oh,
There he
nice,
is.
Kelly.
Say hi, Snowplow. Hi.
The perk of living on a busy street.